Well, hello, it is Lakeisha McKnight, your big business coach. Thank you so much for tuning in today as we're talking about team development, how to grow and develop your team. Guess what? We're going to be talking about a very important topic that's going to help you grow your team, and that is getting to know them. Stay tuned. All right, Lakeisha McKnight here, your big business coach. Thank you so much for watching the Blazing Business Bits on the Beach series. We're still here on the beach. The sun is blazing. It's just beautiful out here. Remember that this particular series has been created so that you can build a big business, right? So that you can live your best life right now. And again, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so you know this is Team Development Wednesday, and we're going to be talking about a great topic, and that is getting to know those on your team, the members of your team, whether it's, your advisory team or your network marketing team, getting to know them. So what are a couple of quick little strategies that you can implement that's going to help you to get to know them? Well, number one, okay, here you go. Really simple. Pick up the phone, right? Pick up the phone and just have a little conversation with them. Depending on how big your team is, you'll be able to do that for some of the members on your team. Now, if you have a couple of individuals who are in your inner circle, then just call them. But just picking up the phone and calling them is worth the wait. Hearing your voice, letting them know that you care about them, that you're thinking about them, that means a lot. A second strategy that you can implement to help you to get to know those on your team is simply having a Google Hangout, right? Hang out via computer, get to know them, right? Just a personal Google Hangout. It doesn't have to be anything that's educational, but just getting to know them, inviting them onto the Hangout for 15, 20 minutes and just talking to them about simple stuff like, let me see, what's your favorite color? Stuff like that. It may seem simple, but it means a lot. So Google Hangout. And then number three, here's the third way to get to know the members of your team. Taking them out for dinner. I know I may have said this in a previous video, but guess what? Who cares? Get to know them by taking them out to get something to eat. I know, of course, when I'm able to go out and eat, because I like to go out and eat. Little hint for those of you who want to take me out to eat. Listen, I love to eat, and what great way than to dine, to fellowship over some food and get to know the people on your team. I know when I have a full stomach and I'm getting a little sleepy, I can get a little silly, okay? And those are the good moments where you want to catch me, because those silly moments, I tell you, we will have a blast, okay? But those are just three little simple ways that you can get to know the members of your team. Go ahead and use them. And here with Wealthy Sisters, as you can see, Wealthy Sisters, this is actually a small team within Paycation Travel, where we travel for less and we get paid in over 20 ways, right? By simply building a team that wants to also travel, okay? So whether you're in event planning, whether you're a speaker, author, coach, whether you're an entrepreneur, or just a stay-at-home mom or dad, whoever, and you're looking to make an extra income, you want to get on board with Wealthy Sisters, you want to make some extra income, or do this full time, definitely get in contact with me and send me a message, online somewhere, messaging me on Facebook, sending me, some type of email. That's at Lakeisha@lmcknight.com. That's how you can do that. Get in contact with me. I would love to have you on board our team. We are growing by leaps and bounds. I'm telling you, it's just amazing, because travel is an $8 trillion industry and everybody travels, right? Everyone. All right, but nevertheless, I would encourage you, definitely, if you found something helpful in this video, like the video, okay? Comment below and let me know which strategies you're going to implement to help grow your team. And then share this video with those in your networks. I'm Lakeisha McKnight, tuning out here. Thank you so much. Definitely stay tuned for video number 2 on this Team Development Wednesday.